Hello, welcome back to my channel. Right, one of my last videos when I was cutting the last of the tomatoes, you probably hear me saying my secateurs were blunt. I'm going to buy some new ones. Well, as you can see, they are rather rusty, but the blade itself is blunt. So I'm going to use one of these. It's a trend sharpening tool for knives, secateurs, anything really, all your gardening tools. One side 360 is coarse, the other side is for fine honing of the actual tool, blade, or whatever you're doing. So let's get down here and we'll show you what we're going to be doing. Right, on your secateurs you have a side that is basically flat, and the other side has got like a pitch angle to it. Now with these, you run the blade across, make sure you got a firm hold of them, and you're literally going to just run across to sharpen them. Now I don't know if you can actually see this, let's see if we can get any closer. Where's this thing? You possibly should be able to see like a silver edge on the black rusty blade, which I'm going to clean up later on. So let's get on these and let's see what happens. You don't have to set the blade out on these. You could strip them back if you want to, it may make it a little bit easier, but now hopefully you can actually see the blade itself and how shiny it's gone. Now what we're actually going to do now is we're going to turn around to the flat side. But be careful you don't touch this because this will be sharp, because I'll have very small burrs on it. So then we're going to put it onto the 600. I'm just going to go across to own the edge back off. Like that. Run your thumb across the blade, not down, because you'll cut yourself if it's sharp, and this does feel a lot sharper, to be honest. Some card, will it cut it? A little bit, yeah. It does try and crush it, but it's very thick card, to be honest. It's not designed for cutting card, these are, to be honest. So just a quick one really, how to sharpen your secateurs. This brand is Trend. It's not an advert, not promoting them. It's just one I got from Screwfix, and it was actually in the clearance for £10. Usually they're about £22 these things. All you need to do is just wash after you've done it. The good thing about it is it folds up, so you can actually put it in your actual pocket so the blade doesn't get damaged. So you can literally carry this around your garden if you've got an allotment, around your allotment or whatever, and sharpen your secateurs, your garden shears. Right, let's spin you back up here. Just a quick one really. Like I say, thanks for watching my channel. If you like what I do, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And for now, we'll see you again. Bye bye.